Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sin x. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have du equals to cosx dx. This one we change by u. This one we change by u. This one we change by du. Next, about u, I will put into 3u minus 2u. Next, we can do about factorization by u. This one we can do another factorization by negative number 2. Next, u plus 3, we can do another factorization. Next, we can use about partial fractions. So I will put capital A over u minus 2 and capital B over u plus 3. Now we do common denominator. So about this one, it is missing about u plus 3. About this one, it is missing about u minus 2. Next, we need to expand this one. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of u. About u, we have a plus b. About the numbers, we have 3a minus 2b. So we need to compare coefficients. We know that this one we have number 1. So 3a minus 2b equals to number 1. This one we don't have u. So a plus b equals to number 0. And now we create the system of equations. And now we need to find the solutions of A and B. So A equals to 1 over 5. B equals to negative 1 over 5. And now I will put A and B going here. So A equals to 1 over 5, B equals to negative 1 over 5. And now we have the final answer. About u, that is about sin x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.